you an Airbnb host looking to elevate your guest experiences and reduce the amount of questions during stays? Well, listen up because we've got something exciting for you. Introducing Vaulted, your ultimate solution for building better and more sustainable stays. Say goodbye to Post-it notes everywhere, confused guests, and unnecessary challenges, and say hello to simple yet elegant tap-to-vault experiences. Vaulted come in packs of 10 coins which peel off and are then attached to anything that needs explaining. Wi-Fi, TVs, coffee makers, bathrooms, garages, door locks, air conditioners. Once you add directions as videos, audio recordings, or written explanations, all you do is share your book as a one-stop shop for guests. This book then allows guests to scan via QR code to unlock each set of directions, or guests can simply tap from your amenities, promoting vaulted coins to unlock directions. This seamless experience leaves a lasting impression for guests that is eco-friendly and fun. Get started with Vaulted today and unlock the key to exceptional hosting.